Come test drive the 2017 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-size luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.